I haven't made a cooking video in a while. What I did is I got a red onion, and I'm going to cut back a little bit on the raw onion. I'm making Greek Horiatiki salad, and what I'm doing right now, I'm waiting for my water to get a little cooler, and I'm going to shock the onion. That what I may try to lessen the oniony taste, but I'm going to put it in red wine vinegar and water. But we're going to save that for later. Right now, I'm going to prepare the English cuke. I'm going to partially peel this to make a striped pattern and then slice it into half moons. So let's see. I've waited way too long to make this, so let's see if I can do this. There we go. Yeah. You don't really need to peel these things, the English cubes, but I'm going to do it to make it kind of pretty. This is for a Greek salad, so everything in there is going to be raw. Let's see. There we go. Yeah. It looks like it's still good. I've been so busy working on the Gail series that I haven't. That's good enough. Okay. So let's go ahead and cut it into half moons. This. I'm wondering if this is the best way to do it. Yeah, I could go like this. Let me see. There's a half moon. You see that? I'm wondering if I could do this faster. I have an idea. Let's go like this. Go down like this. There we go. Now, I'll go ahead and cut it like this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut all these into half moons like you see me doing. And that's how I'm going to prepare the English cukes. More delicious ingredients coming up. So, here's what that looks like. Let's go ahead now work on the green pepper. I'm going to cord and slice it into rings, so we'll go ahead and do that next. I like my salad pieces bite-sized, so I'm not going to follow the recipe exactly. I like the idea of doing that. So I cord them. Note of interest, everything that I'm using I bought from Whole Foods, so I just happened to be at Whole Foods when I got all the ingredients for this. Okay, so yeah, let's see. I think we'll go this way. This is good enough for me. You know what, so I'm going to go ahead. Let's go this way. I like everything bite size, you know, sort of. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and you see what I'm doing here. Yeah, I like everything bite size. So, like I said, I don't have to follow the recipe exactly. So I'm going to be doing that. I enjoy my food more when it isn't getting all over my face. So let me go ahead and cut up the green onion now. Okay, here's what the, you know what, I get more light here. Here's what the green onions look like. Get a little bit more light here. I'm going to, what they call shock the onions, try to get some of that, because I'm going to be eating these raw in the salad. So let's go ahead and add a little bit. This isn't quite as cold as I'd like, but it'll probably kind of mellow the onion flavor a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and add some water in here. And put in a teaspoon of red wine vinegar. Let's see if that will help. I'm actually going to put this in the refrigerator. Yeah, and I'll just let it soak in there for about 10 minutes. I'm hoping that that's, even though I enjoy the flavor of red onion in these salads, I don't like burning my tongue. So let me just go ahead and put this in the refrigerator. And now I'm going to work on cutting up the tomatoes. Oops. Yep, this is what I got at Whole Foods. Everything here is organic, so let's see how that goes. I don't necessarily have to buy organic, but like I said, I was at Whole Foods. I'm going to go ahead and rinse these. Then I'm going to cut them up into maybe kind of like wedges. I'll show you. Let me rinse them and get them ready. Let's go ahead and core these tomatoes. And then I'll cut them up, and I'm just going to stick them right in there because the salad's going to end up in there. So we'll go ahead and core them. Yeah. Okay. Let's see how I want to do this. How would I enjoy eating these? Wedges would be nice. I think I'm going to go like this. Waited a while. Oh, yeah, they're good. I waited a while before I made this dish, and I'm hoping everything's good. Yeah, it looks like they're still good. I definitely didn't want to wait too much longer to make this. Yeah, just like that. Okay, I'm going to cut it like that, and then I'm just going to go ahead and throw them in here. And I'll be doing that to all the tomatoes. So let's get going with that. I threw them in there, so yeah. This was from Publix. The Atalanta imported feta cheese made with 100% sheep's milk in brine. Okay, this is from Publix too. Pitted Kalamata olives. So let me just go ahead and drain this, and then I'm going to cut this up into bite-sized chunks. I got a handful of these Kalamata olives ready. They're from Greece. The feta cheese is from Bulgaria. But let me go ahead and chop it up so that it's bite-size. Ooh, that's kind of a thick cheese. Interesting. This looks like it's going to be delicious. Yeah, this is a Greek recipe. I've taken a liking to Mediterranean cuisine lately. Yeah. Oh, this looks like it's going to be good. Yum. Okay, we'll go this way. Yeah. The recipe said to get the, you know what? Yeah. Feta cheese is often crumbly, I've noticed. But, this is going to have a real, like, homemade taste to it. This looks like it's going to be delicious. Yeah, like I said, that homemade pizza that I made, that's actually very similar to a Greek pizza, and I love it. So let me just go ahead and, so yeah, I'm going ahead and chopping this up. Okay, so let me go ahead and work on this, and as you can see, I'm just getting it all kind of bite-sized here. And then then you make a homemade dressing that goes with this too. So. Let me go ahead and make the dressing. 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, imported from Italy. I got this at Walmart. Let's just go ahead and put in. I'm probably not going to be using all of this. I'm actually going with a little less than a 1/4 cup. Let's put it here in this jar. Okay, and a couple tablespoons of 1 to 2 tablespoons red wine. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. I'm going to put in just enough of this so that it's like a spice. I don't want to drown the salad with the oil. Okay, so yeah. So there it is. This salad has a very simple dressing. You just make it yourself. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and kind of shake it up there. So there is my dressing. Let's go ahead and put in the, yeah, I guess my produce is from Whole Foods, but some of the other ingredients are from other places. We'll go ahead and throw in the cucumbers in here. Let's get this in addition here. In with the tomatoes, green pepper, and let me go get the onions from the refrigerator and drain them and add them. Yeah. I made an Italian tomato mozzarella dish that was kind of similar to this, and it was absolutely delicious. Red onions are great in salads like this, so let's go ahead and throw this in here. Hopefully I can take eating the raw onion. Like I say, it won't kill me, I'm just, kind of burned your tongue off. Okay, let's go ahead and mix it all together. Yeah, where's my spoon? Oh, here it is. Okay, so with the tomatoes does really good in this combination. I happen to know that because I made an Italian salad like this, and it was really good. So, see, that's what it looks like right there. This looks delicious. Okay. All right. This looks like, I think I'm going to eat this with a can of sardines. I happen to just think that would go really good with this. Yeah. And I made some Asian rice. What a combo, right? All right, let me, okay, so we did that. Now, so we're going to go ahead and add in the olives. Okay. Oh, this looks good. I'm going to have a gourmet treat. Like I said, I love Mediterranean cuisine. All right. Okay, so let me see. Sprinkle the vegetables with 3/4 teaspoon oregano. This is a very special oregano. It's freeze-dried oregano. I got it at Kroger, and it has really nice flavor. Did I say? 3/4 of a teaspoon of the oregano. Okay, we'll kind of guesstimate here. Yeah, this oregano is really good. Okay. Let me just go ahead and kind of mix it up together. Okay. And a pinch of kosher salt. Yeah, there's going to be salt already from the olives, so let's not go too, that's good. I don't like too much salt. That's good. Yep. Pinch of kosher salt. Okay. Alrighty. Add the oil and vinegar to your liking. Then give everything a gentle toss. Okay, let's see. I guess we better add it in now. Now this I want to be careful with because I don't like drowning my salad with That's it right there. I'm done. I used maybe about half of it. That's it. Okay, give it a gentle toss. Oh, this looks really good. Yum. Okay. Now, I'm going to save this because I might end up making this again. Okay. Let's see, make sure of that. Now, toss with the feta and put in the rest of the oregano. So another 3/4 teaspoon of oregano. Let's throw in some more of this. That's about right. All right. Let's go ahead and toss again. Oh, this looks delicious. Oh, this would be really good with a can of sardines. I will let you know if it is as good as it looks. This looks delicious. Okay. So, there. Let me see if I can get this in a good light. I'm going to bring this out to the kitchen and get a good film on this, since I'm going to be putting this at my cooking channel. Let me see. Let's go ahead and let you get a good picture of that. Oh boy, I'm seeing a bunch of police cars out there. All right, there you go. Doesn't that look good? And now I'm going to let you know if it is good. Let me clear off the table and eat it. Okay, I cleaned off the table because I wanted to eat. I like to eat at a nice clean table. So let's go ahead and try it. Yum, it looks good. I will let you know. I don't like drowning my salad with dressing, so this looks really good. All right, let's try it. Let me see if I'm in camera. Yep, I am. Let's get. This is deep. Really delicious. Wow. What a good salad. I will definitely post this at my cooking channel. This is absolutely delicious. It tastes like a gourmet treat.
In a world of secrets, where darkness reigns, there's a warrior rising, breaking free from chains. She's Gail Schuler, her heart pure and strong, with the power of love, she'll right the world's wrongs. Yeah! She's the first, a passionate crusader. Stand by the side of conquer it all. Through space battles and trials.